How's it going, Facebook fans? YouTube fans? There's no fans. Anyway, I'm going to do another cooking video for tonight to go with that potato salad. Got some chicken breast. I'm going to cook it all up because I live alone. I like to do one cook and have it for a couple of days or whatever. Or freeze it, you know, just like Dr. Steve Brule. For your health, you know. Anyway, so you grab the fillet. We're going to do Perri Perri flavoured chicken breast fillets. You grab it. Just going to cut it down the middle, like so. I won't do all of them tonight, actually. Do some tomorrow. Down the middle there. That's all that will do. Put the rest in the fridge for later. Alrighty. So I get another bowl. So I put a bit of salt. I'll give these a wipe over after I'm done. Bit of pepper. Got the pan sizzling up with some olive oil. Plenty of pepper, I like the pepper. If this shaker's going to work, I don't think it's working. Good a hit, you know. There we go, we're going to do this now. Just give them a lightly coating. That's rubbish. Anyway, hit your fillet. Just like so, lightly coating. Yeah, wash your hands quick. Alrighty. Next bit, here we go. Some more salt. Should have done this beforehand and filled it up to the brim. Lightly seasoned. I need some more peppercorns. Anyway, I'm not going to edit this because I don't really know how. I suppose I'll learn over time. Let me know in the comments, haters, or good. Mainly for the boys proper out there who want to watch the shows, you know. And another one. Keep doing this, so I'll pause this. Alright, back folks. It's taking forever. This shaker's no good. I'll have to get a better one than that. Anyway, we'll do the last fillet now. You can also do this to steaks if you want to. Or you throw them on the barbecue. It's always another good staple. So any metal heads out there, we'll do some stuff on, talk about metal records, all sorts of stuff on this channel. Anything goes. Don't even know what to call it, but hope you like the content. Because when you get bored, make videos. Anyway, shut up. Mind the smoke alarm, guys. So then you just chuck them on in the fry. There should be plenty to go now. It's like 40 degrees here today, so bloody hot. Turn that down a bit. Just fry those puppies up. Anything you want to talk about we can do on the channel, let us know. I'll clean up later. I also like to clean up as I'm going along, but making videos is completely different. I don't even know what I'm doing. Anyway, you fry them off. Doesn't take long with these puppies. And maybe one side each, just like a steak almost. I'll set in the fridge and fix it up later. I'm not going to show you the complete dish, but I'm getting hungry. Anyway, what do you guys like to cook? Leave it in the comments, you know. Whether it be chicken, fish, lamb, pork, whatever it is, whatever tickles your fancy, you know. And you put them now. Simple as guys. Some Dix's raspberry later with some gin. There's a treat. It is New Year's, guys, so you might even do a DJ set later if you'd like. You can do that. So, you know, we do it all on this channel. No production body, whatever. Very, very alright. Got some kick. Just pause this for a minute. Right, we're back. These are going to be cooked. Just made up the salad. And the potatoes that we made earlier. Nice little salad there. Just like the restaurant. Anyway, but at home. So we're going to make a little drink to go with this. I think we might make a ginger beer with a hint of gin. I can't find the cocktail shaker, so bear with me, guys. We'll grab some ice. It's still bloody, I've got the aircon pump and it's still bloody hot in here. In Australia, anyway. Some people say Australia's fake, but it's not. Very real taste. So, give that a bit of a shake. This is going to be gingery as hell. And here's the slippery. Take that off, let that sit, that should be alright. So, I did try out to be a chef once upon a time. Did a trial. Qualified motor mechanic by trade, still am. Worked at a lovely Lexus dealership. Put a 1.5. I don't know what it's going to be like, but we'll try it. Got to be in it to win it. We've got Audi gin. Don't know if you can get it overseas, but it's made here. It's cheap as chips. So we'll put 1.5. That should be enough. And we've got some soda water. Also goes a treat. Going to let that fillet sit for a bit. Fill it up as much as you like. And I have a reusable straw, eco-friendly. Taste test, guys. Look at that one. Hard Rock Cafe, Sydney. It's not bad. I've only been to that one. Very nice. Got the florally from the gin and the ginger from the ginger beer. And a bit of soda water. Very healthy. Anyway, guys, it's time to dish up here. We'll pick the best one. Bring that over to the camera. Have a look at those puppies. You said single men can't cook. Have a little one. There we go. Right there, that's it. That's tomorrow's dinner. Anyway, that is the, I don't know, Perri Perri chicken salad with potato. We'll give it a name later. Anyway, we'll do a little taste test here. Grab a fork. Nice and cooked. Taste the pepper and the smoked Perri Perri. What do you call it? Mix. It's got a bit of kick to it. Anyway, cheers, guys. Happy New Year, and see you in the next one. This is Hendy with all things